Hello and welcome back to the Insurance Guru. My name is Ayanda Malele and thank you so much for tuning in to your favorite channel talking about our favorite subject, insurance. So this evening is the official cocktail party to end off the 2 days that we've had with the AIE 2023 conference that was in Sun City. And I've run into some amazing people that I want to even delve further into and find out more about what they do. And today I have a broker and his name is Phumulani Mazvabo, right? And he's a short-term insurance broker. And I wanted to chat to him a little bit, find out how he thought about the event and what he does for a living and how it should be or could be interesting for somebody who's watching and thinks they want to be a broker. Hi Phumulani, thank you so much for giving us your time.
The pleasure is all mine, Ayanda.
So firstly, you're an insurance broker. What do you do every day?
Right, so basically as an insurance broker, I'm an intermediary between the client and the insurance company. But first and foremost, I'm looking out for the client to ensure that the client gets the right cover on the right terms that is suitable for whatever their needs are.
Okay, perfect. And then how long have you been in the industry for?
This is my 6th year running as a broker in insurance.
And if someone wants to get into this kind of role, what experience, qualifications, and personality traits do they need to have?
The qualifications, we can always sort that one out because it's something you can work on. But the things that I'll encourage one to look out for are the aptitudes. As a broker, you have to be somebody who's flexible because you're dealing with an insurance company on one end and the client on the other end, and you're trying to bring these two together. So you have to be somebody who's good with communication skills. You have to know what to say to the insurer in a way they understand you, the terms, the jargon, and you have to translate that and give the client the same information in simple and plain language.
All right, perfect. And then also I heard through the rumor mills that you are an ISA member.
Yeah, I'm an associate. I'm just going to graduate to be a fellow soon.
Oh, that's brilliant. So next year, coming year?
This year I'm going to graduate as a fellow.
A fellow is a very important role and it's a designation within the ISA. We'll do another video about that. But this guy is in the business. He's doing things. He's changing lives. And I want to also ask you about this experience specifically. Is this your first time at the conference?
Yes, this is my first in-person conference attendance. Last year I joined it virtually.
And how are you finding it so far?
I've had a very great time networking with industry colleagues and industry captains, getting a lot of insight. The presentations were so rich of information, and the whole setup, the entertainment was really reviving. After a whole day of getting so much information, just relax and recuperate. So far, I'm happy. Thumbs up.
Out of 10?
Let's give it an 8.
An 8.
Yeah.
So it was, and where do you think maybe we could improve? We might edit this out just in case.
Really, I think as an event, there's always going to be time slacks and also the issue of information. I feel like we had a lot to do, but we didn't have enough time. So I know the conference can't be over a week, but the information, it was a bit heavy.
It was a lot.
Yeah.
And also tell me, which was your favorite topic or speaker that you watched and felt, this is why I needed to be here?
I forget the name of the doctor, but he was speaking...
Suleiman.
I think that's the one.
Yes.
Yeah, he was just talking about mental health. I think in this industry, it's a high pressure industry, insurance, with all those things that are happening, the earthquakes in Joburg, the snowfalls, the floods in KZN. So you find that as an insurance professionals, we get all the stress, we get all the headaches that people are having on the ground, and we're trying to get the people covered, we're trying to pay claims, we're trying to get all of this to happen. But we rarely look into our own well-being as individuals. And that's something very important that I thought that it's good that he highlighted it, and the fact that employers have to create a culture where somebody doesn't have to be sick or injured for them not to be well. If they are feeling mentally exhausted, they need to be given space, they need to be given tools that allow them to recuperate.
And those were the two doctors. Was it the two doctors?
Those are the
two
yes,
doctors. It wasn't Dr. Suleiman, yes. It was the two doctors, but I can't remember the names.
Yes.
Okay, I found that very insightful as well,
Yes,
to be
yes,
honest.
yes.
All right, so I think, are you coming back next year? Apparently it's 50 years.
Definitely, I'll be here for the 50th celebration. Our company is gonna be a sponsor for the next year's event.
If people want to reach you, where can they find you on the socials?
On the socials, the first platform I'm very active on is LinkedIn. It's Phumulani Mazvabo. On Instagram, it's the same, Phumulani Maz, for the other asterisks, but the username is still Phumulani Mazvabo. Same thing on Facebook. I'm also on YouTube and on TikTok as well.
All right, perfect. Thank you so much. And what I will do is get all his details, put them on the description down below so that you can be able to engage with him. If you want to be a broker, find out more, what it entails, and just get to know him, because I think he's looking quite dapper today. It's been a very good day, right?
Thank you. It's been a wonderful day.
And thank you so much for actually allowing us to get into your space. And we hope to see you more, because we might have to ask you a couple of other questions in future. But thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Ayanda. I'll be very happy to do that. Like this year's theme, collaborate, cultivate, and create. I'll be happy to share information with you.
So this is it. This is what AIE 2023 has brought us, so many professionals in the insurance sector, and it's been so amazing. And yeah, we're just going to collaborate all the time. Thank you for watching. Please click like, subscribe, and share with your cousin and your cousin's cousins, just so we can grow this page. Thank you so much. Have a good day.